Hey everybody, welcome back to Landshark's Garage. This episode, we're going to finish up the interior on Mrs. Landshark's 68 C-10. If you watched the last episode, you saw we took out the old carpeting, console, the Trailblazer bucket seats that were in there. We put down sound deadener, the peel and seal sound deadener, moved the shifter, got it where it was supposed to, where we needed to have it at, and then we've been just waiting for our carpet to get here so we can finish the install. We're putting a seat from a 95 K1500 in there. We got that all mounted up. So in this episode, we're gonna install the carpet that we got for it. We're gonna install the seat belts. We got shoulder and lap belt seat belts to put in it, plus one for the middle of the seat. Put the seat back in, get the shifter the way it's supposed to be, and probably have to listen to the dog playing with his metal pan. That's what you can hear right now. So thanks for following along. Thanks for liking and subscribing and helping us out on our channel. We really appreciate it. If you have any comments, put them down below. We'll talk to you later. Mounting our lap belts before we finish up the carpeting project on Mrs. Landshark's 68. Watch these online. I don't know if I'm impressed with them yet or not. So what we decided to do is use the adhesive to glue it down like where our feet are at so it doesn't move around a lot. We got it glued across this piece if you saw that, but that'll hold it better. Nothing more aggravating than that moving around. We're painting the shifter surround to match the dash instead of leaving it black, and then we'll put the seats back in and take her for a rip. Worked on a few carburetor issues while it was sitting here just from being in storage, and Hollies get a little gummy. We thought it was a bigger problem than that, but little Dr. Holly stopped over and said it was just gubbed up, so we ungubbed it.
Not gubbed up, gummed up.
Gubbed up. Gummed up, gubbed up.
Whatever.
Ran like shit. How's
You
that
don't
sound?
say that better. I don't like your pokey shit.
Mrs. Landshark don't like the hokey pokey shit. So we got the door sills back in, shifters mounted. Tomorrow we're gonna finish up with the seat. Probably gonna come up with something to go across this ugly, idiotorous back. We'll come up with a piece of wood or something there, and yeah, it turned out pretty good. Not too painful. Seat belts are in and mounted. And they're not factory GM, so they're not that great. We still got to mount the center ones. That'll be for tomorrow. Okay, we're all back together here. Seat in. Waiting on a seat cover. 12 weeks on back order, they tell us. I guess everybody during COVID bought a seat cover, so they're out. Maybe that's what it is. I don't know. But 12 weeks is how long we have to wait to get the seat cover. Something that normally took a lot less time than that.